What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at what happened since last week Sunday when I last looked at the Spider. You can see that it was topping out right around the 509 level. Monday price went up a little bit higher to reach the measurable target. So let me go ahead and remove all this red drawings. So basically you can see that price made two small legs up after a large impulse down. So this was basically setting up for a correction right here. This is one leg up right here. This was the second leg up. Target was met, and it looks like it could have started the second leg down, and that was the expectation. So I had this drawing on here before, and you see that price was almost about to drop. But all of a sudden it found support from this bottom trend line right here off the swing lows. So that's basically what saved it from seeing this drop right over here. So we can go and erase that since they got invalidated. So it looks like the shorts are trapped now because on Friday price was able to stop out the shorts who had the stop losses above the swing high, and it could be traveling up higher now because we had this impulse right here. We could be making a similar size impulse in the future, and that takes price right around to the 516, 517, and possibly back up to the prior all-time high at the 524. So I'm expecting higher prices. You can see that if you go in the short term, you'll definitely see that uptrend channel in play. So you can see that price started that descent right here, bounced from that trend line off of the swing lows, went up, and bounced again, and it found support once again, and then this time it could not go any lower, and that's when price reversed. So I had the trend line a little bit steeper, and I thought we had a break outside of it. So if it was a little bit steeper, I thought we just back tested and found resistance. We're going to continue down lower. But if you drag it a little bit shallower, this also works and fits well. So it looks like price is still finding support from the trend line, and eventually it just moved up higher. So basically, now looks like we're just going to be pushing up higher. Got back above the EMA, got back above the resistance at the 509, stopped out the shorts, have a measure move target in place. So everything is basically lining up for the bulls as of right now. So again, overall, still looking like price wants to push up higher in the meantime. Maybe once we get up to this area right here, we can still see another drop. That's definitely possible. No one knows for sure we're going to continue higher, but as right now in the short term, it looks like we are. But in the long term or the medium term, it could still make another leg down before seeing another large leg up. So we'll see if that happens. But as right now, short term, I'm expecting higher prices. It looks like it's going to be at least targeting the 517 level. So that's what I see on the daily charts. Take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that overall price is in a bull market. You can see that we can draw a channel off the swing lows. We have 4 touches. You drag it up to the highs. This could be the next possible target for the bulls at the top of the channel, which coincides with this measure move target. Let's go and move that measure move target back. So this is one leg up right here. We saw the correction. This could be the second leg, and it's targeting the top of the channel right here in sometime possibly July or August of this year at the 605 to 610 level. So there's a good chance that we could see price get up there that quickly too. So we could be just setting up our next angle of attack. So you see that this could be the new trend line right here that the bulls will be respecting. So we have 2 consecutive green weeks in a row. Very bullish looking. We just pulled back to the EMA, found support from it, or not necessarily just the EMA there, but EMA caught up. We're not overextended anymore. It looks like price is ready to continue to push up higher. So as of right now, short term looking good. We'll see if we get another drop in the future. Either way, I'm expecting higher prices in the long term. So that's all I have for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust on the daily and weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week Sunday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.